watching Expert Guy here, and I'm back with another special video for you guys. And today I will be showing you guys how to fix a party block chat problem, the error you get from when I think there are two kind of issues you get that error. If your net is slow kind of, or it's blocking something, or you're from privacy and online safety, there your account does not have privileges to play that thing, like to play that party thingy. It has blocked for you, like your account has been set to child or something like that. That is one thing which is a mistake. Okay, so I will try to tell best as I can to fix that problem. Make sure guys subscribe to the channel, cause I upload daily great content for you guys, and we are nearly about to reach 150 subs. Just 15 more subs remaining. Come on boys, you guys can do it. Come on, just smash it and become an expert today. So let's get straight into it, and let's get to over 2 likes on this revive. We can do it, man. Come on, just 2 likes for this great awesome video. So this is a party, it's now fixed. As you guys can see, Expert Guy's party, and this is me, and you guys can see me here right now. And now let's go to your settings. So first of all, go to your settings, then from there head over to account, okay, and then go to your privacy and online safety. Here you go. So basically let it load. Then from there go to Xbox Live privacy, manage the privilege and permission for your Xbox Live account. There you go. Let's go there. It's gonna take a little bit while. There you go. So now from there it's custom, but if your account is set it like to child, then it is more private. As you guys can see, children can play, download free games and apps. Children can see other people profile and content they can. They need permission of an adult in the family to add friends. See, others can, a children friend can communicate with them and see what they are online available, blah blah blah. We are not gonna read all of this, but if your account is set it to child, then and you can't set it direct to adult. Like if you guys are thinking you will click it and then back out, you guys can. So from there head over to view details and customize. Okay, now it is gonna show me all this great content. Give me a second. And the privileges, communication and multiplayer. Here you go. See, this is a new update for Xbox One. Even if you guys are having problems and you guys haven't updated your console, so update your console as well. Okay, so after heading there you will see all these things: online status and history, profile, friends and clubs, communication and multiplayer. Head over to communication and multiplayer because you need to do something with communication. So this is the most important. Others can communicate with voice, text or invites. So decide who to communicate with on Xbox Live using voice and text, and also who send you invite to the party. So you guys will click everybody, okay? No block, no friends, everybody, okay? And this one should also be everybody, and this one you guys can, yeah, surely if you guys want to join multiplayer, then you guys will allow it, yeah. So yeah, that is it. So after this is done, just head over to your Xbox, and then like the power button of your Xbox, just hold it for 10 seconds and then release it, and it will restart your Xbox. Like just press that power button again and it will start restarting your Xbox. Once it's done, head over to your party, invite your friend and have some fun, cause yeah, that problem fixed it. And that is the way you guys can fix the party chat blocking problem on Xbox One 2017. This is an updated one. So yeah, try it, and if you guys are still having problems, then let me know in the comment section down below, and I will hook you up and help you guys as like I am there for you guys. Okay, you guys don't need to worry about anytime. Comment down below and I will respond to every single one of your comments. Also subscribe to the channel guys. I'm Expert Guy and I'm signing out guys. Peace.